everyone. Today we'll be making tomato jam. I know, weird, right? But it's pretty easy, pretty quick, and I hope you like it. Okay guys, we're back now. It's been 45 minutes. Our jam has been simmering away. As you can see, the color is now much deeper than it was before, and it's reduced from this level to here. So what we're going to do is add some chilies. This is completely optional. I like my jam with a little bit of heat, a little bit of a kick. So this is 8 chilies chopped up with the seeds. These are 8 habanero chilies or Scotch bonnet type chilies. Just going to add that all in. So we're going to leave this jam now to simmer until it's reduced about half in size, stirring it every 15-20 minutes just to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom or to the sides. And I'll see you guys when we're ready. If you want to check that your jam is ready, take a saucer, put it in the freezer, and take a drop of your jam and just let it drip down. If it does not stop dripping, then it means your jam is not ready. That's how you know your jam is ready. So we're now going to turn off the stove and let this sit just for 5 minutes while we prepare our jars. In another pan, I've got the lids of my jars boiling. This is to sterilize them, as well as the jars themselves from the oven.